We are from Group 14 and we would like to present our GDP, which titled IOT Driven In-House Garden Watering System. Watering is important in planting activity, so to solve this problem we propose this project. So the objective is to identify the suitable components needed for supporting the system, to monitor the plant from excessive watering or dryness, and to develop a watering system that facilitates humans to control and also monitor through internet.
So the component we use in our project is not MCU ESP8266, Arduino Uno, soil sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and lastly DC water pump.
The block diagram of our project, you can see that in the block diagram, so the two soil sensor is connected to the Arduino Uno, and one of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to Arduino Uno, and Arduino Uno is connected to Node MCU ESP8266, and after that Node MCU is sending and receiving data from the cloud, and the user using the Android apps or any browsers can control and send the data, send the feedback to the cloud, and at the same time cloud send the feedback to the Node MCU, and Node MCU can control the water pump.
Our flowchart, as our system is use the I2C protocol, integrate circuit protocol. So this is our master, which is not MCU. From start, we read the data from Arduino Uno, and we control the water pump 1, water pump 2, and water pump 3. Water pump 3 is for ultrasonic, 1 and 2 is for our soil sensor. For the slave, it's just receive the data and send the data to the master. And for the soil sensor subroutine, 1 and 2 is the same. So 1 is we check the soil sensor level, check whether it's greater or equal to 900 for the moisture level. If greater than 900 means it's dry, so start pumping water. If less than 350 means it's too wet, so we stop pumping water. And if the range is in between these two values, it will let the user decide to turn on or turn off the water. And for this subroutine is for ultrasonic, so he will check the ultrasonic level, check whether the water surface from the ultrasonic, the level of water surface from the ultrasonic is greater than 9 or not. If greater than 9 means the water tank is low and start pumping water. If it's less than or equal to 4 means the water tank is sufficient, so it will show enough water.
Here our result, when the water level in the water tank is low, distance from water level greater than or equal to 9 cm, water pump will turn automatically, and we can monitor through Firebase as you can see. And when the water is refilled from spray tank to water tank until the water tank level is sufficient, the distance from water surface is less than 4 cm, the water pump will turn off automatically. And when the water tank level is enough water, distance from water tank greater than 4 cm and less than 9 cm, it will display enough water in Firebase, as you can see there. And if both of the soil sensor put in wet soil sensor moist level less than equal to 350, and both water plant 1 and plant 2 will turn off automatically, as you can see this. And if both of the soil sensor put in suitable moisture in 350 and 900, we can choose to turn off or to turn on off water pump or turn off the water pump manually. For example, we choose to turn on the water pump to watering plant 1, the water pump will start to watering plant 1. And we can choose to turn on the water pump to watering plant 2, the water pump will start to watering plant 2 only. So if both of the soil sensor put in dry soil sensor moisture level greater than equal to 900, and water pump 1 and water pump 2 will turn on automatically and stop automatically when the soil sensor detected less than or equal to 350.
So this is our project costing, Gantt chart, and our project design and consideration consists of 3. First one is health and safety, environmental consideration, and cultural and benefit to society.
For conclusion, this project has been designed and tested successfully. By using this auto system, display can help user to monitor display profile. For future works, we can reduce 2 boards to only 1 board. So our project will be simply executed to this project. And lastly, our cost will cut down the budget of this project. Thank you.
Okay, plug on. Okay, see, plug on. Tak cukup lagi kan?
Enough water.
Status already changed.
Yeah. Wait. We'll take water. Okay. Stop. Okay. So now for the soil sensor 2, so I plug it off in the dry one. Okay. Hold up. Because the water is not enough, so you will continue pump.